Here are 10 scriptures to help you get and stay organized. Invite God into every area of your life. 1 Corinthians 14:33. For God is not the author of confusion, but of peace, as in all churches of the saints. 2 Timothy 1:7. For God has not given us the spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. Colossians 3:23. And whatsoever ye do, do it heartily as to the Lord and not unto men. Habakkuk 2:2. And the Lord answered me and said, Write the vision and make it plain upon tables, that he may run that readeth it. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the thoughts that I think towards thee, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end. Ask God for help. Sometimes we forget to invite God into every aspect of our life, but God is concerned. God desires for our home and our lives to be organized. Matthew 6:33. But seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. Proverbs 15:22. Without counsel, purposes are disappointed, but in the multitude of counselors, they are established. Proverbs 16:3. Commit thy works unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established. Proverbs 3:6. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths. Invite God into every area of your life, including organizing your life and your home. The full list of all 10 scriptures on how to get organized is listed on our blog, browngirllemonadestand.org.